Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Edwin. I'm very excited today to actually share with you guys one of our family all-time favorite recipes, which is lor mee. I used to eat when I was young, and this is passed down by my mom. First, we are going to blanch the noodle. Get a handful of noodle, put into boiling water. Okay, let it simmer for around 1 minute. And now we are done after a minute. Okay, for those who do not have a swivel at home, this is one simple trick. Just use your spatula and then strain it out. Okay, we're going to pour this in the bowl. Okay, now I'm going to teach you guys to cook the lor mee gravy, starting with the lor bak sauce. For those who want to learn how to cook the lor bak sauce, do remember to watch our previous episode to learn how to cook this. First, I'm going to add the lor bak sauce into the pan. We need around 50 to 60 gram of the sauce. It means around 2 to 3 spoons. Okay. The other thing I'm going to add in is the chicken broth. It's also around 400 ml. Okay, and I'm done with that. I'm going to add in a gram of salt and around 5 grams of rock sugar. Okay, I'm going to put everything to boil and we just wait for around 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes is up. Next thing we are going to do is to actually add the potato starch into the gravy. 1 tablespoon of potato starch to 1 tablespoon of water. Okay, one tip to take note before adding the potato starch in is to make sure the gravy comes to a boil. Gradually add in bit by bit to prevent any lumps. Once it comes to a boil, off it. Crack an egg and whisk it. Just add it in and just stir it. Now, when it's done, you set it aside. Next thing we're going to do is to do the plating. So transfer the noodle to a bigger bowl. First thing we're going to add is the lor bak. And let me cut a few pieces into it first. Next thing we're going to add in is the egg. This pre-cut egg, followed by the ngoh hiang. And lastly, we're going to add in some fried fish cake. And now we're going to pour the gravy in. Let's do some final touches by adding some garlic. For those who want some kick, you can add a bit of Chilli Padi. And some xiang cai. What's lor mee without vinegar? There you go, the lovely bowl of lor mee. So I'm going to do a taste test of the lor mee. Let me mix the whole thing up. Those who prefer some pepper, you guys can actually add in. Let me just hold it out first. The flavor is awesome, man. With the vinegar and the lor bak chap, it really blends out almost with everything. With the fish cake, with the xiang cai, the lor bak. This is what I call home cooked food. It brings back a lot of childhood memories. This is really a flavorful bowl of lor mee. It's because of the essence of the pork that we simmer for a very long time when we cook the lor bak. All in all, it's really a good bowl of noodle. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and click the bell notification button so that you guys don't miss any of our future episodes. If you guys have any good lor mee places would like to recommend, do comment below and click here for more and click here to subscribe. I'll see you on the next episode. Goodbye. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Edwin. Use this and this